What if I told you there's an easy way to integrate Stripe into GoHighLevel for seamless payment processing? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Stripe with GoHighLevel. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or managing subscriptions, this integration will make payment processing easier than ever. So, let's dive in. First, log in to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Next, click on the Integrations tab on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of platforms you can connect with GoHighLevel. Scroll down until you find Stripe, then click the Continue button. You'll also see other providers. But for now, select Stripe and click Connect. The Manage Integration page will open. Click the Connect with Stripe button. You'll be redirected to Stripe's login page. Enter the email associated with your Stripe account and the password you use to log in. After logging in, you'll need to verify and confirm your business details. Stripe will ask you to link your bank account, set up payout options, and make sure everything is ready to accept payments. Once everything is set up, you'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel. You should see a confirmation message that your Stripe account has been successfully connected. And there you have it. Payment processing through Stripe is now fully integrated with GoHighLevel, ready to streamline your payment process and boost your sales. Grab your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel today and start building your seamless funnel right away. And to ensure you get off to the smoothest start, don't forget to schedule your kickoff call. Check the video description for all the links you need. Links are in the video description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.